There's tons of news in the AI world this week. Did Perplexity just completely change the SEO game? And Apple's WWDC starts this week, but are they too late? And the CEO of Zoom wants to create avatar clones? What the heck is going on? Well, I'm going to break this all down in detail coming up. What's up, guys? As you know, I'm Adam Gillespie, and I help realtors level up their game by the responsible and ethical use of AI and proper utilization of their CRM. So make sure to like and subscribe if you want to stay up to date on everything AI and CRM in real estate. Okay, so first up, let's break down the new Perplexity Pages feature and see just how freaking awesome this is. So Perplexity Pages is a new feature from Perplexity AI that actually transforms search queries and conversational threads into detailed searchable web pages. So think of Wikipedia in a way. The catch here is that it has insane SEO capabilities and is getting indexed in Google extremely quickly. So this could be a game changer for our SEO. Now here's a quick rundown of what it offers. Number one is user control and flexibility. You have significant control over the content generated, and you can ask the AI to rewrite, reformat, or remove specific sections. You can also add sections by prompting the tool to write about particular subtopics. This ensures that the final product aligns closely with your needs and preferences. Number two is media integration. Perplexity Pages simplifies the process of finding and inserting relevant media items such as images and videos. This enhances the visual appeal and informativeness of the pages, making them more engaging for the readers. Number three is sharing and accessibility. All pages created with this feature are publishable and searchable through Google. So you can share this link to a page, allowing others to access it and even ask follow-up questions on the topic. This interactivity fosters a more dynamic and engaging user experience. Number four is turning conversations into pages. So you can convert existing conversational threads into pages with a single click. This functionality is particularly useful for summarizing lengthy discussions and making the information more accessible. Number five is content creation. Perplexity Pages positions itself as more of a tool for information curation rather than content generation. Users' decisions and preferences do play a significant role in shaping the final product, ensuring that the content is both informative and engaging, but it's still curated by AI. So that's definitely something different that we haven't seen yet. Now, how is this relevant for realtors? Well, blogs, and SEO ranking, and building that online presence. Now, you can't currently promote yourself through it, but I'm going to find a way to soft promote or link a web page to it, so that way we can bring users back to where we're at and hopefully be able to use this to generate leads. All right, guys, so that's a little breakdown of the Perplexity Pages. I'm going to do a full-blown tutorial on how to use this feature here in just a couple of weeks, so stay tuned for that. Next up is Apple. Now, I know you all give me crap because I'm Team Android, but seriously, what is Apple doing? It's one thing to be late to the party and an entirely different thing to show up when the party's over. Apple has been absent to say the least when it comes to this AI wave that started in late 2022. And with their huge annual event, WWDC 24, the big talk is about potential partnership with OpenAI. Did Apple finally meet its match with AI, and because they're so far behind, they decided to partner with the only real safe bet in the space right now, and that's OpenAI? Or maybe I'm completely wrong and Apple's gonna drop bombs this week. Now, I recorded this last week, so they may have already dropped them, but who knows? What do you guys think? Do you think Apple dropped the ball, or are they waiting in the dark for the perfect time to dominate the game? History would tell us it's the latter, but this game is a rapidly advancing beast, and I feel it may be too late for Apple to compete. Sound off in the comments and tell me if I'm crazy, or is it time to switch to PC and Android products? And hey, before Team Apple cancels me for that rant, let me just say this. With Apple, you are the user, and with Android, you are the admin. Think about that for a second while we segue to the WWDC event. Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference, or the WWDC 2024, is happening from June 10th to June 14th, so here's the lineup. This is a huge event for Apple. It's the biggest one of the year for them, so this is a major deal right now in the AI space. So WWDC 2024 kicks off on June 10th with a keynote at 10 a.m. Pacific time. The conference is primarily going to be held online, but there will be a special in-person event at Apple Park on opening day for a limited number of developers and students. The keynotes will showcase groundbreaking updates across the Apple platforms, including iOS, iPadOS, macOS, watchOS, tvOS, and Visions OS. iOS. The platform State of the Union is at 1 p.m. Pacific, and this session will go deeper into the latest advancements and tools for developers. And here's some of the expected software announcements. We have iOS 18, which is expected to bring design updates inspired by visionOS, a more customizable home screen, AI-integrated features in built-in apps like photos and music, and improved cross-platform messaging with RCS support. You guys hear that? Yes, you guys just heard that right. Apple is bringing in RCS support finally. I'm hoping that with this, the battle between Android and Apple can finally be over because Apple's going to join us in the RCS world and stop compromising your data anytime you want to talk to somebody that's not on their platform. So moving on, we've got some Mac rumors. Mac OS 15 is likely to include many of the same AI features as iOS 18, but the name is still under wraps, with the possibilities including Redwood, Grizzly, and Sequoia. These are just rumors, but watchOS 11, tvOS 18, and visionOS 2 updates are also expected, though the details have been scarce on that as well. And then for special programs and awards, we have the Swift Student Challenge, which recognizes 50 distinguished winners who will get a special experience at Apple Park. And then you have the Apple Design Award, which celebrates excellence in app and game design, with finalists already announced and winners will be revealed soon. And then we have the developer resources. So throughout the week, there's going to be over 100 technical sessions available on the Apple Developer app, website, and on YouTube. These sessions are going to offer deep dives into new technologies and frameworks, along with curated guides and live forums for developer support. So how do you watch this? Well, the keynote and all the major sessions will be streamed live on Apple's website, the Apple Developer app, the Apple TV app, and YouTube. On-demand playback will be available after the streams conclude via Apple. So why does all of this matter for us realtors? Well, while this event is developer focused, the innovation in AI and software can significantly impact how we manage our real estate business. Enhanced AI features in iOS and macOS can streamline our workflow, improve client interactions, and offer new ways to present properties and manage data. So that's your WWDC 2024 preview. Stay tuned for more updates and insights as this event unfolds. All right, peeps, so moving on, let's get into what Zoom CEO Eric Yuan recently shared about their AI advancements, and then we'll tie it back to how this can be relevant for us in real estate. Eric Yuan is talking about some seriously cool stuff. Zoom is diving into AI clones and digital twins. Now, what does that mean? Well, imagine having a virtual version of yourself that can jump into a meeting and handle routine tasks. This isn't just a basic chatbot, it's designed to mimic your communication style and preferences, making it almost like you're there. Sound familiar? I think I did something like this with ChatGPT way back early in 2023. But anyways, that's besides the point. This tech could save a ton of time in keeping things running smoothly, even when you're swamped. And Yuan stressed that Zoom's success has always been about top-notch video quality and user-friendly design. These principles are even more crucial as they bring in more AI features. The goal is to enhance the user experience without adding complexity. So what we can expect with this is an enhanced user experience alongside with AI. So basically an augmented experience. So Zoom plans to integrate AI deeper into its platform to streamline the various aspects of video conferencing. Think about AI handling your scheduling, taking notes during meetings, and even translating conversations in real time. This is all about making virtual meetings more efficient and accessible, and it's going to keep that customer-centric approach to it as well. At least that's what they're saying for now. So what's been a big part of Zoom's rise is listening to customers. Yuan highlighted how they constantly gather feedback to refine their products. This approach ensures that the new AI tools will genuinely meet users' needs. And then we have the impact on business and productivity. So the introduction of AI clones and digital twins is expected to transform business operations by boosting productivity. Employees can delegate routine interactions to their AI counterparts and focus on higher priority tasks. This tech is all about working smarter, not harder. So back to why this matters to real estate agents, right? Well, these advancements are part of a broader trend of integrating advanced AI into everyday business tools. It's about creating a more dynamic, responsive work environment where technology supports and enhances the human capabilities. So let's bring this back to our world now. As realtors, we thrive on personal connections and authentic interactions. While the idea of pitching meetings to an AI clone might seem a bit out there, the potential benefits are huge, and here's how. Imagine an AI that can handle client questions when you're busy or unavailable. It ensures no one is left hanging and keeps the communication flow steady. And digital twins could let our clients tour properties virtually, saving everyone time and making it easier for out-of-town buyers to explore options. Now let me break that down for a second. Imagine having a situation where we have a digital walkthrough of a listing that's accompanied by our digital AI twin that can answer all these questions about the listing. It's going to get insanely crazy, right? And then imagine letting AI handle your calendar, which is already pretty much there, but no more endless back and forth trying to find a meeting time that works for everyone. Your AI clone can go through that process for you, set this up, and everything will work seamlessly, saving you time and saving your clients time, which is the most important thing. And for personal marketing, we can use the AI to tailor your marketing efforts based on client preferences and behaviors, making your outreach way more effective. And then for translations, this game is changing so quick in the AI world. So for clients who speak different languages, real-time translations can make your services more accessible and inclusive. I've always hated having to pass somebody off to another agent because of a language barrier. Even though I have trust in the agents that I refer, I feel like I can provide the best experience. And now that we can go ahead and get a solution to that problem, I'll probably be referring less of these clients out and trying to be a translator or using AI to translate these interactions so I can create a better customer experience for everybody there. The AI can also help manage and organize documents, which would reduce the admin work and minimizing errors. So here's my take on the whole thing, guys. I get it. The idea of losing that personal touch can be a bit unnerving, but if we approach this tech with an open mind, we can figure out ways to integrate it that enhance rather than replace our personal interactions. These tools can free us up to focus more on building relationships and less on the repetitive, time-consuming tasks. It's all about striking the right balance and using AI to support our work, not take it over. So with that being said, let's stay open-minded and see how we can leverage these advancements to make our jobs easier and our clients happier. And if you need help figuring out how to implement these tools, I'm here to help. So let's make the most out of this tech revolution. Okay, I lied. That wasn't the last piece. We got one more piece of news and it's on Meta. And all I gotta say is Meta finally cool again? Well, check this out. Meta just came out and announced that Facebook registered its highest level of engagement among 18 to 29-year-olds that they've had in the last 3 years. They're contributing this success to the features inside the app like Marketplace, Groups, and Reels. I am absolutely positive you've probably seen that new blue circle that's animated every time you hit a search bar. And that is Meta's new AI integration into the Facebook platform that's powered by Llama. And for those of you that don't know, Llama is Meta's large language model. Some people have said it's annoying and other people seem to love it. I personally don't use it because I'm not all that active on Facebook when it comes to AI. I do most of my work inside of ChatGPT for creation anyways, but I'm interested in your thoughts. Have you used it? Have you used Llama? And what do you think about it? Sound off in the comments and let's find out once and for all if Meta is in fact cool again, or is it yesterday's news and gonna be segmented right alongside the boomers? All right, guys, well, there you have it. It's been another busy week in the world of AI, and I'm staying on top of it like the flies that just won't get off your burger at the family barbecue. So if you got value from this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my page so you don't miss out on all the awesome AI updates that I have coming out every single week. Look, in the business of real estate, artificial intelligence is inevitable. So it's up to us as realtors to stick together and find out how we can use this to streamline our workflows and provide a better customer experience, because in the end, that's what it's all about. It's about that customer experience. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next video.